To pack up the Super S12 water ionizer, first turn off the water supply. Then open the flow valve so that it releases the pressure on the lines. Next, empty and clean out the saline port. Then put the saline port back in, close the door properly, and tape it shut on the right side with about 3 inches of packing tape. This keeps it from making a mess during any kind of shipping. Make sure the strong acidic port has its plug on it, and then remove the spout at the top. Now tilt the machine forward to remove the 2 lower hoses and put those plugs in or on their correct spots. Now roll up and secure the electric cord with a twist tie and put the plastic bag that originally came on the machine back on to protect it. Next, put the top foam piece on. There's only one way it can go on correctly. Now turn the machine over so it's sitting upside down, and then put the other foam piece on. Then slide the box down over the machine. You might have to repeat this if it messes up, but it should work fairly easily. Finally, if you are going to ship the machine, make sure to put this box into a larger shipping box, and then make sure it's packed snugly and securely.